say we drain, we re-beautify, and we go with it because we have to. It's all about damage control. Moments like this are going to define whether we win or lose this race. We got rid of the...
All right, it is a huge deal. One of St. Louis' favorites is a big deal. They have made it to the Food Network. Actually, in the finale, joining us this morning to talk a little bit about Tika Tika Taco and its journey with the food truck race is Michael. Thanks so much for being here. First off, congratulations. This was a big deal. How did you get involved in this race?
You know, it's actually kind of a crazy story. We had put a video online to try to raise money.
Okay.
And in the process of doing that, we didn't end up raising as much money as we wanted, but a producer from the Food Network saw that video, kind of saw how goofy and crazy we were,
Okay.
and had a legitimately good idea with Tika Tika Taco, and they reached out to us and asked us to come on the show. We still had to go through a little interview process.
Sure. Yeah, it's home run, right? No big deal.
Right.
Tell us a little bit about that idea. What is Tika Tika Taco?
Good question, thank you. Well, it's sort of a fusion concept of food, right? We take a Mexican format, tacos, nachos, taquitos even, and instead of using Mexican ingredients, we use Indian or Pakistani spiced chicken, you know, Mediterranean food, a little bit of Italian in there. So it's really a complete cross-culture fusion type food that's been a big hit so far.
Wow. Okay, so and you put that in a truck and then you race. So what is the premise behind this show for anyone that has not seen this on the Food Network?
Sure. Well, 8 teams compete to try to win a truck. So the biggest question that I get from people coming up to me is, hey, where's your truck? Well, the show's not over. We are in the finale, thankfully, with 2 other teams who still have a shot to win the truck. If we were to win it, it'd be given to us after the show. If we don't win it, then we'd probably try another Indiegogo campaign to try to raise money again to buy it. But you know, hopefully we win it.
So what would you do with that truck then? You know, start your business?
In St. Louis. Yeah, absolutely. That would be a huge, kickstart to opening a business here in St. Louis. There's a great food truck scene here in St. Louis.
Huge.
Yeah,
I mean, well, people just love their food around here. We're all a bunch of foodies, and obviously probably enticing a lot of people to try your food. How can they do that? Can they at this point?
Not yet. Not until after this finale. After this finale, we're either going to have a truck that we can start rolling around St. Louis, or we're going to try to raise money to get a truck that we can roll around St. Louis. So the way people can try our food is to help us, if we don't win, to help us get that. Follow us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and we'll have information.
But what's your Facebook?
Facebook is just Tika Tika Taco.
Okay.
And then
with
Twitter,
2 Ks.
2 Ks, yeah, Tikka.
That is awesome.
Twice.
Yeah.
And then Twitter is just at Tika Tika Taco.
All right, the finale. This is also another way you can support them.
Yeah.
Check it out. It airs Sunday, September 29th on the Food Network. Thank you so much, Michael, for stopping by. Best of luck, and we definitely want to see you bring out the truck when you win it. Right here at Fox 2 News in the morning. You promise?
We love to. Yeah,
okay,
love to.
That would be great. All right, let's toss it back to you, Randy.
Good attitude when you win it. We like that. It is 7:52.